Hey you guys, welcome back to Journeys with Jay, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I achieved this galaxy inspired nail design using products from Model Ones. I absolutely love this nail set that I'm using today, and I can't wait to create more and more nail looks. First, let's go ahead and jump into what comes inside of the box. Upon opening the box, you're going to see your cuticle pusher, and then you have an instruction pamphlet just showing you on how to properly use your gel products. And then it's just giving you the new packaging and a little guide. And here is all of the beautiful colors as well as the magnet that comes inside of the kit for the cat eye polishes. Now, as you see here, the glitters, the cat eye polishes, everything is just so vibrant and so beautiful. I'm actually using one of the glitter polishes with a cat eye on top of it a little later in the video. Do you see the vibrance of these colors, you guys? So pretty, amazing quality. Model Ones really did their big one with this kit. Let's go ahead and hop into the nail design. So here I'm going to be using my Model Ones soft gel tips in medium square. I've really kind of been leaning into square a bit more, as you guys know. And of course, these extensions come pre-etched at the base. I'm first just sizing them out, making sure it fits sidewall to sidewall. And I love that the cuticle already comes around it. And then I'm just going in with my 3-function nail prep and applying that directly to my natural nails. I have removed all of my previous set and just lightly buffed my natural nails, and they're ready to go. To apply the soft gel tips, I'm using my Model 1 solid nail glue. I've been leaning towards more of the solid glues recently. I just really love the consistency of them. And what I like to do is apply it at the base of the extension and spread it across the base of the nail just using the nozzle. I'll go halfway up the nail and scrape the product down. And then I go back towards the cuticle, applying the extension at a 45-degree angle, allowing that glue to flow forward and flash curing it for 15 seconds. And the reason why I like to first go up half of the nail and then go back towards the cuticle is to really spread that product out. And this will help to help to make sure you don't have like bubbles and little air pockets throughout the nail, as well as getting down to applying that extension and realizing you don't have enough to really go all the way down to the tip of your natural nail. Now all of the extensions are applied. I'm just going to go in with a little buffer block and just remove the shine from all of the extensions, ensuring that everything is nice and smooth and ready for the gel polish application. Next, I'm going in with the 100/180 grit file just to clean up the edges of the nail to ensure that the nail looks nice and even, as well as straight along the tip and the sides. Afterwards, I like to cleanse the nails off with a little bit of alcohol, and I'll go directly in with my base coat. I like to apply a thin layer of the base coat and cure it for 30 seconds. The first color I'm going in with is 2409 from the nail polish kit. Do you see how pretty this is by itself? So what I'm going to actually do is go in with a coat, cure it for 60 seconds, and then go on with a second coat to all of the nails, curing that one as well for 60 seconds. This color is so vibrant and beautiful. Just this by itself is enough, but of course you guys know we have to bump it up and do something extra fun, which is why we're going to follow this up with a cat eye polish. Just look at that color, that blue and purple reflect, like it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, just that color by itself is gorgeous. But of course we're going in with the 2719 cat eye polish from the same set, and we will just be applying one coat of that onto the nails. And I'm going to just start with the thumb first, applying a generous layer to the thumb, and then we're going to go in with our magnet. And I'm going to show you guys exactly what I like to do when applying a cat eye polish, and I want a little bit more of a spotlight to the nail. Taking my magnet, I just like to run it along the side of the nail back and forth. And I'll do that on both sides. You guys see? Like, look at this effect. I love when a cat eye polish is super smooth, and then once I have it in the center, I'll go around the full nail in a circle to give it that effect directly down the center. You can go back and forth to really spread it out more and more, and you'll get this type of effect here. So not only do we have the reflex of blue, we also have the reflex of purple, and it looks vibrant, but it also looks dark. It's so gorgeous. I actually want to redo this with another shape as well, because I'm obsessed. Like, it's so pretty. Here I'm just repeating the same steps that I did on the thumb, going up and down both sides and then going around in a circle. And you guys see the effect. I'm just continuously just kind of moving it around to get it to my liking. We have this spotlight in the center, and then we just want to expand it. Again, this is giving galaxy nails. Do you see that? So pretty. And once I have a nail how I like it, I'm going to go ahead and cure it in my lamp for 60 seconds and then follow that up with a top coat. I like to do a generous layer of the top coat, but not too much to where it's running. So you still want to keep it a little bit more on the thin side, but this right here is what's going to bring everything together. It's a very high shine top coat, and you just want to ensure you're getting all around the nail and capping the edges. Once we've completely applied the top coat, we're going to go ahead and cure this in a big lamp for 60 seconds. And then I like to go ahead and go straight in with my cuticle oil. My cuticles were looking extremely dry before this part, so I really needed this. And what I love about the Model 1's cuticle oil is it's more of a dry oil, so it doesn't give you any weird residue. You don't feel super sticky or anything, and your nail beds as well as cuticles are super nourished. Do you guys see this effect? So beautiful. Please let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section, what colors you want to see me try from the set as well, and if this is something you guys plan to pick up. Thanks again to Model 1s for sponsoring today's video. Ciao.